got to try this chicken shawarma sandwich. It is hands down one of the best sandwiches you'll ever have. To start, you want to marinate your chicken, and I have a delicious house-made shawarma blend on my blog. And then you want to sear your chicken in a little bit of oil and cook for about 8 to 10 minutes till cooked through and tender. It'll look just like this. To make the wrap, grab a flour tortilla. If you have shrak available to you, you could use that. Add a generous amount of toom, which is a thick Arabic garlic spread that's amazing. And then add a generous amount of that tender, super flavorful chicken. And I love to add Arabic pickled cucumbers and, of course, fries. You see how simple this sandwich is? It's so good too. Now you just want to roll it all up and put it on a hot panini press to achieve that nice golden brown color and crisp on the outside. Now tell me, how amazing do these look? And I promise you they taste even better. Just look at the inside of this chicken shawarma. You see all those delicious layers. I cannot wait for you guys to try this recipe.